Diwali is a special time in India. It is the festival of lights. We decorate our homes with diyas. Diyas are small lamps. We also share sweets with family and friends. Sweets are a big part of Diwali. We make many different kinds. They are symbols of happiness and good luck. Everyone loves to enjoy them during this festive time. One very special sweet is the Kaju Pista roll. These are small sweet rolls. They are made with cashew and pistachio. These nuts are ground into a paste. This paste is then flavored with cardamom. Kaju Pista rolls are very popular during Diwali. They are delicious and beautiful to look at. The green pistachio and white cashew make a lovely contrast. These rolls are a real treat for everyone. To make these tasty treats, you will need cashew nuts, pistachio nuts, sugar, milk, cardamom powder, and silver leaf, which is optional. These simple ingredients come together to create something truly special. Each bite is a burst of flavor and texture. Making Kaju Pista rolls is easy. First, grind the cashew and pistachio into a paste. Then, cook the sugar and milk together. Add the paste to the milk mixture. Stir it well until it thickens. Let the mixture cool, then shape it into small rolls. You can decorate them with silver leaf. Your delicious Kaju Pista rolls are ready.